Hello friends, I bought this phone on Flipkart and since I don't have a knife now, I've decided to open it by my hand and use my pen with also. Came in a bubble wrap, nice strategy. Now let's unbox it. Sturdy tape, it will take a while now. Packaging looks promising as usual. Branding, all the specifications written as usual on the box. Now let's open it. OnePlus style. Okay, phone is as usual, nothing too shiny or premium. Now let's look what's in the box. SIM ejector tool, documentation as usual, warranty card and quick start guide, charger. Now let's see how much ampere it's 2 ampere standard, and we can say that it's a fast charger for this type of phone. Usual USB cable for charger and data transfer. Now let's see, dual camera with LED, fingerprint sensor. Nice phone, easy to handle. Now let's switch it on. Dual camera as we have already seen. Speaker grills with USB 2.0. Power button and volume up and down. 3.5mm jack. Oh, one dedicated button for music with SIM option. Now let's set up the Android. Android Nougat, pretty outdated, but I hope that they have already initiated the updates for this. Maybe Marshmallow, Oreo. Android Nougat, pretty standard for the phone of for 7,699. Nice phone.